So what makes the Manvel Teen Court unique is that it's very much teen driven. The teens are the ones who conduct the cross-examination, the direct, the prosecution, the defense. They're members of our jury, so they're involved in literally the outcome and the punishment for real defendants about their same age.
Since I was young, I've loved to debate, and I took that to heart, and I took an interest in law, and I thought that this would be a really fun program. Being here has taught me how to behave and react to certain situations, and just seeing everybody form friendships just by building one case.
I think familiarity with the justice system, how it works, who the players are, those are all things I didn't really know when I was that age. I think it's a good way to know kind of who's who, what their jobs are, what their roles are, how the system works.
It gives other juveniles a second chance because it doesn't go on their record, and they kind of get to learn how it works in the legal system, but instead of the real consequences, they learn with community service hours and jury terms. So
I actually enjoy hearing the argument between defense and the prosecutor. I feel like it has come a long way and that each person involved has grown and has really put on great arguments on both sides.
My favorite part of teen court is definitely meeting the witnesses. I've only been a defense attorney since I've been in teen court, and I've met so many new people, and hearing their stories have just really changed my view of how I think about people.
So I think the first positive impact is it diverts them away from the system as a whole. You know, it's a diversionary program. It's designed to keep convictions off juvenile records. They're young. So we want to preserve those records, give them a chance to learn about the system, accept responsibility for what they've done, but then kind of move on in a way that educates them, but also preserves that record at the end of the day for them.
I originally was not going to do it because I felt very intimidated by how much pressure it had to be able to support these kids and do it well, but it really did challenge me, and this is a very accepting community and a very helpful community, and all it's done is benefit me. It's never been an inconvenience, it's never asked of too much of me, it's only challenged me in the best ways possible.
I've learned how to communicate better with people. I've learned how to read people better. My leadership skills have improved. My strategical skills have also improved, and really gave me confidence in any situation that comes at me.
It's great for public speaking, it's great for confidence, it's great for thinking on your feet. All kinds of wonderful lifelong skills is what they're learning.
My favorite part of teen court is being able to represent people that got unlucky with the law and being able to stand for them and make a case for them.
They're able to learn to work together with people that maybe they haven't met before. They're able to work with people from all different types of backgrounds, and they're able to make decisions very quickly on their feet.
Obviously, like the court itself, like the system, I like a lot. But I'd say ultimately my favorite part of teen court is like the feeling you get when you know that you're like helping the public and you're giving people a second chance.
My favorite part of teen court has been watching the kids get better. Like seeing them come in here day one and then they're shy, it's natural. But then watching them come out of here, you know, seeing who they are at the awards banquet at the end of the year, it's great to me, seeing how much strides they've made and how good they've become at, you know, truly have become at it.
Anyone who is interested in teen court, I think that you would really enjoy it just because you get to not only build different relationships with other attorneys, but you get to learn more about a profession that you may not hear a lot about. And it honestly doesn't just teach you about what it means to be a lawyer, it teaches you other valuable skills for the workplace.
Even if you're not interested in pursuing a career in that field necessarily, but being down here, getting the exposure, knowing how it works, meeting the police, meeting their community leaders, I think that's all great traits to have in kids moving forward, and I think it helps develop tomorrow's leaders.
By all means, come by. Like, we all start somewhere, so there's no reason to be nervous, although it is a natural feeling. You meet a lot of new people, you develop a lot of really helpful skills, and so it's really beneficial for you.